Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you I got all those planes here, and got those from these right here, the Air and Space Museum. So I have a bunch of them, so it's pretty amazing. So this one is Airbus A380, and every time I was playing with it, the wheels actually failed, and that's kind of weird. And this one's FedEx cargo plane, an MU-11. I got that from April the 3rd, so it's very amazing. This one, Gemini 200, Southwest 737-800 with 2 wing widths. This one too, I don't know why, I got like 2 of them. It's so epic. This thing has landing gear, this one doesn't. I don't know why. So, really like when it has wheels, because they can roll, and this one doesn't, because you can't get it down. And you can see this thing right there, because every time you blow it, it spins. Alaska 737-800 with no wing widths. And this guy right there on top, wherever that is, pretty amazing. Got from like Christmas or something. This one's AirTran 737-700 with wing widths. This thing right there has A on the tail. It's reading it good. And no AirTran.com right there. So insane. There's the 777-200ER. I got it from Miami. It was pretty good. This one, Southwest 727-300 with no wing widths. And this thing has no wheels. I don't know why. This one is Air Force One, 757. Pretty amazing. I got from the airport from Florida. I got from Fort Lauderdale Airport. Like the one wheels on the way home. It's pretty amazing actually. Good. This one is Southwest Maryland one. I got that from last 2 years for Christmas. And it's no wheels. I do not know why. To Southwest 77, that's 800. And it does not have 2 wing widths. And this one is an airport play set. And this one too. Airbus A380. I got from the Aerospace Museum. That was from long last year's. Pretty amazing. There's WestJet's 737-800 with no wing widths. UPS 747. I got that from wherever I got for Christmas. I think Hawaiian Airbus A330. Oh, I could see a sticker coming out. Strange. American 777. I got that another one because the old one actually broke. I don't know why. I was playing it good. I see something strange happening right there. And I got an F-14 jet. I got from the Aerospace Museum too. Pretty amazing. And this one is a the U.S. Airways. That was a new one, I think. I got from the Aerospace Museum while I was at Kinnick Air. It's pretty amazing.